Looking for cable clips that actually hold up? These clips offer a simple, sturdy solution for securing your cables without breaking the bank. If you're tackling a large wiring project, having reliable clips makes all the difference in keeping everything neat and safe. I recently used these clips while wiring my house for Ethernet and coax cables. What stood out was their durability. They gripped the cables firmly and didn't budge even after installation. It's clear they're designed with quality in mind, despite their affordable price. Each clip measures about 5.8 centimeters high, 16.7 centimeters long, and 17.8 centimeters wide, making them compact but effective for managing cables of various sizes. They weigh just under half a pound, so they're lightweight yet strong enough to hold cables securely against walls or baseboards. Manufactured with modern technology in China, these clips combine precision design with practical function. They're perfect for anyone who needs a dependable way to organize and protect wiring, whether for home networking or entertainment setups. What really matters is that once installed, these clips keep cables in place without damage or slippage. For me, that peace of mind was worth every penny, especially knowing my wiring won't shift unless something extreme happens, like an earthquake. If you're ready to upgrade your cable management, these clips are worth a look. They deliver solid performance without fuss or expense, making your wiring job cleaner and more professional. Try them when you're ready to secure your cables for the long haul. With these clips, what you get is dependable grip, ease of use, and a tidy finish that lasts.